Okay, and I know it's been a minute, but I've been busy. Yes, I've been busy. I'm not even fucking out with you. Yes, I'm not even fucking out with you. But guys, I'm glad to be uploading. I'm glad to be back. I think I'll be uploading more often on this channel, although I'm not really sure. But as soon as I finish writing my end of year exams, I'll be surely uploading throughout the whole holiday, like daily uploads. I swear, guys. I swear. So it's been a minute. So how's you guys? What you doing? And if you got time, if you got even just maybe 30 seconds, I want you to comment what you have been doing, how your life has been going. Because mine has been really tiresome. Wake up, you read until you read, go to sleep again. You wake up, you read. So I don't even have time like for social media. Maybe if you like following me on my Instagram, maybe you would see some posts back in the day, but nothing these days. And I also, this is my Instagram account. If you wanna maybe catch up with me, and you can even message me, because like I'll be honored to be texting with you. Okay, so guys, by the title of this video, I didn't even figure out the title of this video yet.
What did he say?
Which is actually bad, but it's probably gonna sound something like okay, let me just like ask you the question. So guys, what type of videos would you like to see on this channel? Like let me give you some few ideas. Gaming, I'm pretty much good gamer. I play Free Fire, PUBG. We can also do that like offline. If you want to play PUBG or Free Fire with me, just message me on my Instagram. Like I said, I'll be glad to be chatting with you. Okay, but gaming videos are off the charts, because like I want this video like to be kind of a vlog. Okay, I want this channel to be like, we'll be posting vlogs, like you have to see me. So guys, I had to cut this video short. Okay, so if you enjoyed this video, just smash the subscribe button and like this video, and also comment on future videos so that I can upload directly what you want. Okay, so guys, I will see you on the next video, and as always, I love you guys. Bye bye.